Good day, everyone. I'm Shivashini Munasamy, and today, along with my partner, Vidya Sarita Chanamurthy, and we will be presenting our problem-based assignment for the web design technology course. So, the motivation for this project comes from Feedmin app, a small business providing healthy meal packages. So, currently, they process orders manually through WhatsApps, which is often inefficient and leads to incomplete customer information. Our goal was to develop a systematic and responsive web application to streamline their ordering process while maintaining ethical web design standards like accessibility and clear data usage. So the question is, build a responsive HTML order web application using mobile framework and JavaScript. So as a technical requirement, we need a home page, menu page, order page, and information page, and an additional page. So we are choosing promotional page as our additional page. So for before this, our slide, at least we need to have 5 pages. So now we will go with the JavaScript implementation. We use external script JS. So it must include validation, processing, and output. Then we need the styling. We use external CSS5 and navigation to all other pages and group practice and submission requirement. So, Fitmail app is designed as a mobile-friendly platform that allows users to explore healthy meals and promotions. Our core objective were to implement a responsive layout, provide easy menu browsing, and create a functional food ordering system. We ensure that the system includes home navigation, promotional offers, and dedicated contact pages for users. So, our core features to meet the project requirement, we develop a multi-page application consisting of 5 compulsory pages, the home page with a bootstrap cruiser, a menu page using a grid layout, a functional order page, and an information page for business details, and a special promotional page. All pages are connected via a functional navigation bar. So now, for development tools, we utilize a modern web development stack to build the application. This includes HTML5 for structure, CSS3 for layout, and Bootstrap 5 to ensure the design is fully responsive. For the logic, we use JavaScript for calculation and jQuery for simplified tool application and scripting. The problem solving, the technical challenges and solution that we take. During development, we encountered several challenges. For instance, our initial order calculation was incorrect, which we fixed by refining our JavaScript variables. We also faced layout issues on smaller screens, which were resolved by correctly applying the Bootstrap grid system. And lastly, buttons not aligned properly, so we added fetch box and bootstrap spacing.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Vidya Sritachanamurthy. My metric number is 1183. So, from the output, I will be continuing this slide. So, this slide is basically the output of our web application. So, it's a screen record. So, you may please play it. And after that, you may turn to the next slide for the more explanation of our slide. For our website thing. Thank you. So this slide shows the first part of our website demonstration. Her home page introduces the FitMeal Hub brand with clear navigation links to other pages. So the promotional page highlights discount and special meal offers to attract users. For the third one, the menu page. This page will basically highlight the food items in a structured card layout with images, the descriptions, and the prices. So we focused on visual appeal, easy readability, and smooth navigation across all the pages. Same goes here. This is the part 2 of our web application. Same goes here. This is the part 2 of. So this slide demonstrates the ordering system and functionality results. So users can select food items and enter how much of quantity they need for the food they selected. The system automatically calculates the total price using JavaScript. So basically, we tested multiple input values to ensure the system works perfectly. For example, when users choose more items, the total price updates immediately. If invalid or empty input is entered, warning messages can be shown. So these tests prove that our system functions properly and responds to user actions. So it is way more suitable for outsiders or the app users to easy access in our app.
So now we will be seeing what files that we use. For home page, we use index.html. For information page, we use info.html. For menu page, we use menu.html. For order page, we use order.html. So for the additional page, we have chosen promotional page. So for promotional page, we use promotion.html and script.js and style CSS. So now we will go with the index.html. So this is the entry point of the Fitmail app web application. Its primary role is to establish the brand and guide the users through the sites. So the key components that we use is navigation bar, a constant of bootstrap navbar that links to all other pages. For example, menu page, order page, information page, and promotional page. So next is Bootstrap Browser, a dynamic image slider showcasing a high quality photos of healthy meals to grab the user attention immediately. So next is the hero section. So contains the main aging feed meal app and the slogan a healthy outside starts from the inside, establishing the mission of the business that is for index HTML. So now I will be explaining the slide from page 17, 18, and 19, which is a promotional HTML coding. So this page is designed to highlight special deals and drive sales by showcasing limited time offer. So the key components that we use is bootstrap cards. This promotion is likely housed in a card component containing an image, a description of the deal, and a call to action button. So next is a responsive grid. The pages uses Bootstrap's row and call classes to ensure that if there is a multiple promotions, they stack neatly on mobile phones and expand horizontally on desktop. So lastly, we use visual hierarchy. Large typography and bright colors are typically used here to distinguish promotional prices from standard prices. That is for promotional HTML. So now we will go with the menu HTML. So the menu page acts as a digital catalog where customers can browse the fully variety of healthy meal packages available. So the key components that we use, grid layout, similar to promotional page, This uses a grid to display different meal categories and detailed information. Each item usually includes a clear image, the name of the meal, a brief list of ingredients or nutritional benefits, and the price. And lastly, consistency. It maintains the same header and footer as the other page to ensure a seamless user experience while navigating back and forth. So that is for menu HTML.
So for order HTML, this slide 21 till 23 is order HTML. So our older page is the core of the application. It features an input form for the customer's name, phone number, and a drop-down menu for product selection. So we use Bootstrap components to ensure the form is visually appealing and user-friendly. So that's how order HTML helps for us. Next, if you can see, it's info HTML. So from page 24 till 25 is about that. So this is our information page. It uses a clean bootstrap layout to provide essential details about our business. So we have included contact details and a responsive design to ensure that users can easily learn about FitMill Hub from any device. The next part is about JavaScript. So for the backend logic, we implemented an external script JavaScript. We used add even listener to trigger calculation and number bracket to ensure mathematical accuracy. The system uses if else statements to set meal prices and automatically calculates the subtotal discount, packaging charges, and the final payment amount. So, script JavaScript is in page 26 till 27. Last but not least, about style CSS. Our style CSS file provides the visual identity for FitMill Hub. We focused on making the interface neat, readable, and properly spaced. By combining custom CSS with the Bootstrap grid system, we ensured that the application is fully responsive for both the desktop and mobile users too. So that's all for the coding part. So we moved into the last part of our presentation. So these are the rubric of our our PBA. So before that, I want to say that throughout the collaborative process, we maintain a good teamwork and communication with my group member, which is Shivashini. So we compared different navigation layouts such as sidebar and top navbar. After discussion, we selected the Bootstrap navbar because it is cleaner, easier to use, and mobile friendly. So these are the ideas we are shared together before starting development. We also decided to use Bootstrap cards to display menu items because cards present information clearly with images and prices. So this collaborative process help us make better design decisions. So not only that, FitMill Hub successfully demonstrate our understanding of front-end web development using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap 5. This project also improved our teamwork, communication, problem solving, and design skills too. We're proud to the final outcome because it's combined functionality, responsiveness, and user-friendly design. Thank you for listening, ma'am, to our presentation. We hope you enjoy learning about Fit Meal Hub. Thank you.